out today. Started the mill base. It's roughly 5 feet by 30 inches by 30 inches. Using 1/4 inch tubing by 2 by 2. Got it all tacked up. Had to square it a little bit. As you see, the come along hanging here. Alright, so welded the top. Well, this is actually the bottom. But we've got that all welded up. We still got the cable down there holding that together. That needs to be welded yet. But next thing, we're gonna weld these to the bottom of the legs, and we're gonna take this nut here, drill holes through them, and weld the nut to the plate with the nut inside the leg. And then we got our adjustment feet. We're going to get threaded into these. And then for the top, we're putting eyelets, so when this behemoth is done, we can actually move it. And then we're taking casters here, putting them inside this corner pocket so they have enough room to swivel, and then inlaying them into it just over the height of the leveling feet. So hopefully next time we'll get that all done, and then it'll actually look like a table.